fractions. Now we are going to study about the seventh type of fraction. Okay, the seventh type is unit fraction. Okay, so take one example for unit fractions. So 1 divided by 8, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 3, and 1 divided by 5. These are the examples for unit fractions. Okay, so see here, these all are the examples for unit fraction, and which one is common to observe here? 1. Okay, so 1 is in the place of numerator or denominator? Yes, 1 is in the place of numerator. So that's why here if you have to write the numerator should be always 1. Okay, and that type of fractions are called as a unit fraction. Okay, so what is unit fraction? A fraction having their numerator is 1. Their numerator is always 1. What is the definition of fraction? Okay, it is a fraction having their numerator is always 1. Next, decimal fraction. Okay, so take some examples for decimal fraction. Here, this 3 divided by 10, or 9 divided by 100, or next 4 divided by 1000. Okay, these type of fractions are known as a decimal fraction. Why? Because these fractions are easy to return in decimal points. Okay, it is very easy to convert into decimals. How to convert? The next class I will explain. Okay, by studying in decimal expansions. Okay, so first you should have to know what is unit fraction and decimal fraction. These are the examples for decimal fractions. Now we have to compare the fractions. Okay, so comparison between fractions. How we have to compare the fractions? Comparison between fractions. Okay, so first I will give some examples. 3 divided by 4 and 5 divided by 4. So comparing between them, which one is smaller and which one is greater? See here, their denominator is same. Denominator is same. You just compare their numerator. Okay, you just compare their numerator. So 5 is greater than 3. So therefore here 5 divided by 4 is greater than sign. Is it right? So 5 divided by 4 is greater than 3 divided by 4. Take another one example. 3 divided by 9 and 6 divided by 9. Now see here, which one is greater here? 6 divided by 9 is greater than 3 divided by 9. Is it right? But in the case of, now we have to compare 3 divided by 5 and 4 divided by 2. Now we compare. Okay, now we compare these two fractions. Which one is smaller and which one is greater? See here, their denominator is now different. In that case, first we should have to convert their denominators are equal. Okay, how we have to write their denominators are equal? See here, first we should have to find their LCM, 5 and 2. Okay, the LCM of denominators, 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2 LCM is, so 2 ones are 2. Okay, so 5 write as it is. The next 5 ones are 5. 1 write as it is. So 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10. So LCM, our LCM is 10. Is it right? Next, 5 2s are 10. Is it right? 5 2s are 10. So here into 2. Okay, the multiply with numerator as well as the multiply with denominator. denominator. Next, here 2 5s are 10. So here numerator multiply with 5 and denominator also multiply with 5. Now 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Here 4 5s are 20 and 2 5s are 10. Now see here denominator will be equal. Okay, now very easily compare these two fractions. Okay, so 20 divided by 10 is greater than 6 divided by 10. Is it right? So see here 4 divided by 2 is greater than 3 divided by 5. Is it right? So like that you have to compare the fractions. Okay. In the case of 3 different fractions here, 3 divided by 2, 4 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 5. Now compare these 3 fractions, okay, and write which one is greater and which one is smaller. So at that time you have to take LCM 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5. The next 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Is it right? So our LCM is 30. You know how to find the LCM, okay, in our earlier classes. So I write directly LCM is 30. So here 2 15s are 30. So into 15 into 15. Next 3 10s are 30. So into 10 into 10. 5 6s are 30. So into 6 into 6. Now see here 15 3s are 45 divided by 15 2s are 30. Next 4 10s are 40 divided by 30. Next 6 6s are 36 divided by 30. Now denominator are equals to each other. Is it right? Now you easily find which one is greater and which one is smaller. Right here 36 divided by 10 is smaller. Is it right? Is smaller. Smaller signs. Next 40 divided by 30 is greater than 36 divided by 10. And 40 divided by 30 is smaller than 45 divided by 30. Is it right? So it is a which order? Ascending order. Okay, smaller to bigger. And descending order, which means bigger to smaller. Okay. So that concept now we have to discuss. So please note on this. And I hope you understood how to compare the fractions. Okay. First you should have to equal their. First you observe their denominators. Okay. Their denominators. If these denominators are different, then we have to write the same denominators by using this LCM method. Okay. So take first the denominator LCM and after that multiply this LCM into this denominator into numerator and denominator also. Now here ascending and descending order. How to write the fractions in ascending and descending order. Okay. Ascending and descending order. So see here 3 divided by 2, 4 divided by 3, and next 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 5. Okay. Next 3 divided by 15. Now these fractions we have to write in ascending order as well as descending order. Okay. So first you should have to calculate or find out their LCM. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 15. Okay. So first we should have to take smaller from starting from smaller. Okay. So 2 2 ones are 2, 3 write as it is, so 2 2s are 4, 5 write as it is and 15 write as it is. Next 2, okay, 1 write as it is, 3, so 2 ones are 2, so 5, this is 15. Next 3, 1 write as it is, 3 ones are 3, 1 write as it is. Okay, the next 5 write as it is, so 3 5s are 15. So 5 1 1 1 1 1. So 2 2s are 4. Is it right? So 4 3s are 12. So 12 5s are 16. So our LCM is 16. Is it right? So now see here. The denominator is 2. Denominator is 2. So 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 3s are 6. 0 right as it is. So 30. Here 3 into 30 divided by 2 into 30. Right. Next 60 divided by denominator is 3 here. So 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0 right as it is. So 20. 4 into 20 divided by 3 into 20. Next 60 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. And 6 minus 4 remaining is 2. So 0 becomes now 20. So 4 5s are 20. Is it right? So next here 5 into 15 divided by 4 into 15. Next 6 into, okay, so 60 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, so 1 is remaining, so 2, 12 5s are 60, is it right? So into 12 divided by 5 into 12. Next 3 into 15, okay, 15 4s are 60, and next 15 into 4. Now see here 3 3s are 9, 90, then 2 3s are 6, 60, 4 2s are 8, so 80, 3 2s are 6, so 60. Next 15 5s are 75, okay, so 15 4s are 60. Then next 12 6s are 72. Next 12 5s are 60. So 3 4s are 12 and 15 4s are 60. Now see here, all denominators are equals to each other. Okay. Now we have to write here ascending and descending order. Here first we have to write ascending order. Okay. Ascending order. Ascending order, which means smaller number to greatest number. Right? So write which one is smaller here. 12 divided by 60. Then next after that 72 divided by 60. Then after that 75 divided by 60. Then 80 divided by 60. And 90 divided by 60. Okay. Now descending order. Descending order, have to write reverse. Okay. So 90 divided by 60, 80 divided by 60, 75 divided by 60, then 72 divided by 60, and 12 divided by 60. Okay. Like that we have to compare between fractions. Okay. So please note down this and now solve some examples on the concept of the comparison between fractions and how to add fractions and how to subtract fractions. Okay. Please note down this. Now see here, this is one question on the concept of comparison between fractions. Okay, see here, the Ramesh solved 2 divided by 4 parts of an exercise while Seema solved 4 divided by 5 of 8. Who solved lesser part? Okay, so we have to find the which fraction is smaller. Okay, see here, first 2 divided by Ramesh. Okay, so Ramesh solved 2 divided by by 7 part and sigma solve 4 divided by 5 part. Okay, so 2 divided by 7 and 4 divided by 5. Now we have to compare. See here, our denominator is different. If the denominator are same, we have to direct compare the numerators. Is it right? So first now we have to convert this denominator into equal denominators. How it is? See here, 7 and 5. 7 and 5 LCM is 30. Okay, the LCM of 7 and 5 is 30. So here, see here, so 2 divided by 7. 7 5s are 30. So into 5 into 5. Next, 4 divided by 5. 5 7s are 30. So into 7 into 7. Next, 2 5s are 10 divided by 30. Okay. Here 35, not a 30. Okay. 7 5s are 35. So right here, 7 5s are 35. Next, 4 7s are 28. Next, 5 7s are 35. Now see here, 10 divided by 35, 28 divided by 35. So 35 and 35 is equals to each other. Now denominator is equals. Now compare only numerator. Which one is smaller here? 10 is smaller. So 10 divided by 35 is smaller than 28 divided by 35. So therefore, who solved lesser part? Ramesh solved the lesser part. Is it right? So Ramesh solved lesser part. Okay, this is your answer. You understood how to compare 2 divided by 7 and 4 divided by 5. If their denominator are different, then first we have to write, or we have to convert these denominators are equals. How to convert? First find their LCM 7 and 5. This LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Then 7 divided by 5 means 7 5s are 35. So into denominator with numerator also. So 5 5. Next 4 divided by 5. So 5 7s are. So that's why 4 into 7, 5 into 7. Next 2 5s are 10. 7 5s are 35. Then 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. 35 denominator is same. And now we have to compare just only numerators. Okay, so that's why Ramesh solved lesser part. Next, now move towards the next question. Okay. Now see here, this is the next question. Sima purchased 3 1 divided by 2 kg. 3 1 divided by 2. Which fraction it is? Mixed fraction, is it right? It is a mixed fraction. Then apples, okay, 3 1 divided by 2 kg apples and 4 3 divided by 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of fruits? Now we should have to add these two fractions, okay? So total weight of fruits. Here 3 1 divided by 2 plus 4 3 divided by 4. Right. So now first we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how it is? Convert 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 divided by 2 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 19. So 19 divided by 4. Next, now we have to add these two fractions. First, you observe these denominators. Denominators are here different. Okay, so first we have to convert. The denominators are equal. How it converts? First, we should have to find their LCM. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Okay, the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4 means 7 divided by 2 into 2. Okay. The next plus here 19 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4. So into 1 into 1. Next process of 14 divided by 4 plus 19 divided by 4. Next, if the denominators are equal, then denominator write as it is. Only you have to add their numerators. Right? So see here 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 4, 13, then 1, carry 1, 1, 2, 3. 33. Okay, 33 kg. And these improper fraction now we have to convert into mixed fraction. How it is? I already told you how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. How it is here? 33 divided by 4. Right. Next. Four 8s are 32. Then 33 minus 32, 1. Is it right? So here 4 is right in denominator and remainder is right in numerator and percent is right here. So 8 1 divided by 4 kg. This is your answer. Is it right? So please note down this and now shall stop here. Okay. The remaining one example is already solved in your textbook. Okay. So please read it and practice it in your homework book. Okay. This is your today's homework. So now we shall start here. In the next class, have to